Here's a question that's mostly finished, but need to finish off to finish simplifying. So on the top, I have 1 root 35 minus 5 root 35. So I can simplify that. That would be negative 4 root 35 over 140. And then I think I can simplify 140 and 4. Let's rewrite them as negative 2 times 2 root 35. And on the bottom, 2 times 70. So 2's cancel. So I have negative 2 root 35 over 70. Oh, I think I could do that again. Over 70 would be 2 times 35. So the 2's cancel. So I'd be left with negative root 35 over 35. And that's where I'd leave it right there.